Good morning everyone. My name is Swadeshi Movement. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Friday and today's date is 7th August 2026. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning everyone. My name is Amit Kumar Upadhyay. I am studying in 4th C class. Today I am going to tell you thought of the day. Today's thought of the day is every weavers, every thread, every tradition matters. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Taimullah. I am studying in 4th C class. Today I am going to tell daily affirmation. Today affirmation is based on gratitude and pride. Please repeat after me. I am proud of what I achieved this week. I am grateful for my school and my friends. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Swadeshi Movement from 4th C. Today I am going to tell today's word of the day. Today's word of the day is heritage. It meaning is traditions passed through generations. Sentence. We should preserve our cultural heritage. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Siddhika Sandaparam from grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Ritika Ranjit Patel from grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Ayushi Rakesh Patel from grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Nidhi Bharat Kilinge, grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Purva Sanjay Anakot from grade 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Alina Samal Kladgi from grade 4. I am going to tell you importance of the day. Today is National Handloom Day. National Handloom Day is observed annually in August 7th in India. The day honors the weaving community and promotes the indigenous textile heritage. The date memorializes the 1905 Swadeshi Movement, which encouraged the use of domestic products and the boycott of foreign goods. Handlooms became a powerful symbol of economic independence and self-reliance. The Government of India officially declared August 7 as National Handloom Day in July 2015. India has one of the world's largest handloom sector. Importance of the handloom. Handloom preserves India's culture and traditions. It provides employment in rural areas. Handloom supports sustainable and eco-friendly productions. It promotes made in India products. Learning for us is we can learn about Indian textiles. We should buy handloom products when possible. We have to encourage family to support local viewers. The message to the community from Shadavalam Private School is choose handloom, support our viewers. Concluding thought is handloom today, heritage forever.